everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, hi, my name is Nekwaya, and if you're not new, thank you for coming back to this video. So today is Saturday and it's Saturday afternoon. It is Saturday afternoon and I am actually just having my breakfast now, so I guess that would be brunch. Got a bit of a late start to the day, did some cleaning and stuff, finally took my shower. Next thing I know it's 1 o'clock, so I'm having a bit of a snack because it's not a full-on meal, at least in my opinion. But yeah, it's quite late in the day, so I just made us some egg, like an omelette with mushroom and bacon and onions, and we're quickly gonna have that. Yorm wants me to make chicken pie, so I'll make that later and we'll have that for late lunch. But yeah, so I'm just about to have my breakfast and I'll show you guys. So this is what I'm having: just a piece of an omelette, very crispy apparently, and some OJ. That's Yorm's piece in the background. We've got the blacklist on in the background, so if you guys hear gunshots, that's what that is. Yeah, so I'm quickly gonna have that. Hey guys, so I am about to start making my bread, and I quickly just wanted to show you guys how I make it. Well, not like step by step, because obviously no one needs a bread making tutorial, especially post lockdown where pretty much everyone has learned how to make bread. So don't worry, I'm not going to do that to you guys, but I just wanted to sort of show you. I prefer to like lay out all my ingredients all measured out and everything like prior to starting, because I find that when I don't, like, it's just a mess. Like, I'm just all over the place, and I actually make my kitchen dirtier than if I hadn't just prepped everything. And so I have milk, eggs, that's salt, this is freshly grated nutmeg, I just grated it, some honey, and then my yeast, and then I have the butter I'm going to use here. So I'm just gonna speed through that because obviously, like we said, and agreed, you guys don't need to have a tutorial in that. So I'm gonna get started. Of course I'm gonna use flour as well. I just didn't put it here because that's a waste of a plate. I'm just gonna put it into the mixer as I go. So I just put my dough in the oven for it to rise or whatever, and I just wanted to show you guys something. This is pretty much how clean my counter is right after I bake, so which is why I prefer to like plan and prep everything properly beforehand so that I don't have a messy kitchen afterwards. Because like right now, I'll show you guys, these are legit the containers that I used to put everything in, and I'm just gonna pop them now in the dishwasher, and then I'm gonna rinse off the cover for the mixer and then wipe down the mixer, and that's it. There's literally no mess at all, which is perfect for me. It is now 2:11, so my bread will be in the oven till about 3:15 maybe, and then I'll take it out again to shape it. I don't do my bread in like the normal bread shape. I prefer to do rolls. That way, like, they last longer because then we can freeze them and stuff like that. So I'll shape them in about an hour's time and then put them back in the oven to proof, and then finally bake them. So I think that, so I'll put them in, probably I'll put them into proof around 2:30, and then put them into bake probably only around 3:30. So I'll probably start prepping lunch when I put them into lunch/dinner. When I put them into, why am I not focusing? When I put them into proof. So right now I'm just gonna pop all of these things, wow, into the dishwasher and clean up the machine, and then I'm done. Guys, I'm finally done. I'm just waiting for the oven to preheat or to heat up. I forgot to put it on preheat, so I can pop this pie into the oven and for about like 40 minutes to an hour ish. So it's now, I think, what time is it? It's 5, so it will be out by 6, which will be perfect. Then we can have a very early dinner and then go up to the rooftop to watch the fireworks and get a good viewing space. Let me just show you what it looks like before it goes in. So I've just put like butter over it. It would have been nice to have some sesame seeds to like sprinkle on there just for the aesthetic, but it's fine, it's not a necessity. So yeah, that's done. I am so tired. I'm gonna try one of the rolls, get like, you know, that nice fresh roll with like some butter. That would be good. Yeah, Yorm will eat it with nothing, like he'll just with Nutella. Okay, well, so just gonna grab a plate and get that ready while it's preheating. Okay guys, everyone's got their slice. Oh, no cheers in Yorm, just guys, my chicken pie is finally done and it looks so good and juicy. Ooh, it's gonna be good. So this is what it looks like. So typically once it's done, it's best to leave it, like let it sit for about 30 minutes, just so that, you know, everything can set nicely, and then we'll eat. So it's now 5 to 6, so we'll probably have dinner at 6:30 and then go up to the roof at 7, 7:15. Hopefully there aren't a lot of people. Do you think there'll be a lot of people? Oh, look at that golden hour. I need to take a picture actually. So we just got to the rooftop quite ahead of schedule, but it's nice because we're getting to catch the sunset, and we got some nice footage, or at least I got some nice footage. So we're gonna hang out here, have some bubbles that are left over from my birthday, and hang out till the, yeah, there's quite Yorm isn't the biggest drinker, so, and I am a lightweight, so it takes me a while
to get through it.
So yeah, so we're up here chilling. It's actually quite nice.
Yes.
And it's not full today, so that's good. But the way that people are out in these streets, I think low-key, maybe, I don't know.
You are too scared.
I am too scared. Because I'm like, also like, I could like make plans with people. Everyone that I know now in New York is of the same mind frame as me.
What? They don't want to go out?
Yeah, like people have been hanging out with other people at this moment in time. So I don't know. Yeah, so, but yeah, people are out here. They are clearly, well, they are bothered, but obviously
they're socially distanced.
They're socially distanced, yeah. So
and the sun, and I mean,
maybe we should do brunch at thing tomorrow.
Yeah,
Milk and Roses. Because their backyard. Look at someone's drone. Because their backyard is.
Yeah, they're flying from what's around.
Well, we're also trying to get aerial shots.
Because they're like, you need a clear line of sight in order to fly that well.
Maybe he can see. You don't know where he is.
That's what I'm asking, where he is.
Maybe we could maybe doing brunch at Milk and Roses would probably be my first step, but only with you, and then gradually consider other people. But okay, so we're on the roof. We're waiting for the fireworks to start.
It looks so nice. I don't even want to put the camera down. I don't even want to pause the video. Which I know you would edit all the way out.
Exactly. So
I don't care anyway.
So we are laying out. I have my little drink over here with some strawberries because extraness, right? And because I'm the OG black girl, gotta carry some snacks. So I brought some snacks. So we're just chilling, waiting for the show. Let me put this here. Hi guys, so we're back from watching the where are you guys? From watching the firework display earlier. It was fun-ish, but I will say the Macy's one was a little disappointing. I feel like all the other ones were so much better. But yeah, so we're back home and we were watching the Blacklist again, but I'm tired, so I'm gonna take my shower now and go to bed. Yorm typically holds out longer than me, but I'm tired, and yeah, I'm an early bird too, so yeah. So I'm actually also gonna end this vlog here because tomorrow I'm not doing anything at all. I'm just like doing laundry. So there's literally nothing to vlog tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. Please make sure you're subscribed. And in case you haven't noticed, or if you don't follow me on Instagram, I did restart my blog, but like whole different platform, like, well, whole different name and everything. It's called it's called Neki in the City, and literally I just share some of my New York experiences on there. So definitely give it a look if you get a chance. I'll leave the web address down below. I'm sorry guys, I'm tired. Wow, okay, sorry guys, but yeah, definitely have a look over there. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel and that you're following me on Instagram at justneki_. Please stay safe and healthy, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.